Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I have something a little bit different to share with you. I have some products from Freckled Fawn that they sent to me to try out and review and share with you guys if I enjoyed them. So that is what I'm here today to do. Freckled Fawn had sent me some Traveler's Notebook pocket pages last year to try out, and I really love this idea. I for one, love documenting in Traveler's Notebook size. I'm fairly new to the scrapbooking world. Scrapbooking is a little bit overwhelming for me still, and so Traveler's Notebook size is much smaller and manageable for me. I am starting to explore with some other options, but Traveler's Notebooks I continuously keep coming back to. So last year they had sent me these inserts, and they are these clear plastic pockets, so that way your pages can be protected. So rather than working in, a standard insert that's just blank pages, you can cut down pattern papers, do your embellishment just like any other scrapbooking page, and then stick them into these pockets, and they're nice and protected. I don't know about you if you've tried Traveler's Notebook documenting. One of the things that's a little bit frustrating for me is that, I'll go back to old books and go to open them, and sometimes the embellishments are sticking to my photo, or my photo gets scratched, or something gets on it, and that's kind of a bummer. When you've spent a lot of time, putting together your layout and documenting those photos, you want them to last, and so this is a great way to protect them. So Freckled Fawn reached out to me again this year and asked if I would be interested in reviewing one of their new products. They have these inserts that are pocket page inserts. So you can see they have 3x4 pockets. I think this is brilliant for those of you who are really intrigued by the whole pocket page scrapbooking, but you're intimidated by doing, a 12x12 or a 6x8, or you're already doing Traveler's Notebook size. You don't want to try a different size. This gives you the option to stay with the size that you're comfortable with and still be able to do pocket scrapbooking. Now, I like pocket scrapbooking because it's so simple and easy and fast, especially for those of you who don't have a lot of time. You can just grab a couple of photos, a couple of journaling cards, maybe do a little bit of embellishment, stick them in, and you're done. You're not having to think about, big layouts and using up space and things like that. It's just broken up a little bit differently. Or if you have a lot of photos that you want to document, this gives you the ability to document, a lot more photos than, you might be prone to do with layouts like this. So thank you to Freckled Fawn. They did send these to me to review, as well as the February kit to play with. So just heads up, they did send it to me for review, but I only share with you the things that I enjoy. And so in fact, I did have an issue with the first set that they sent me. There was a minor flaw in the plastic insert, and so I just reached out and said, hey, this is what happened, and they were 100% okay with sending me another one and wanted it to make it right. And so that is something to keep in mind with the different companies that I share with you guys. I share them with you because I've had good experiences with them. They're good people, have good customer service, and I like their products. So that's my little cliff note, my little side note about working with companies. But so they did send this. Now stay tuned for the end of the video because they are also offering a very generous gift, a giveaway. So they're doing a $50 gift card. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll give you all the details for what you need to do to enter that giveaway and how to participate in that. And then one of you will be winning a $50 gift card to the Freckled Fawn shop. Now Freckled Fawn is one of those companies I feel like it's kind of underrated. I don't think it gets talked about enough. I personally have to remind myself to go and check out their products because I just don't see a lot of creators creating with them, but I really love the color stories that they use and the style of their stuff, and they're really trying to think of things kind of outside of the box, and they're just a unique company. So if you're not familiar with Freckled Fawn, definitely check them out. I will have links down below. Those are affiliate links, so just heads up, I do get a portion of commission from those sales, but the pricing is all the same for you guys. So what I wanted to do today was journal and start a new project. Now, you're like, Lindsay, you have a lot of projects, but this was something that I hadn't really thought I was going to do. I know many of you are documenting this whole shelter-in-place craziness that we are going through right now, and I had kind of chose not to do that. I was documenting photos here and there, doing a little bit of documenting, but I wasn't doing a dedicated project. But the longer we go in this and the more just interesting God wink moments and just thoughts that I've had as we go through this process, I definitely want to document that. So I'm going to be turning my insert into a way to document moments through this whole experience. And so what we're going to be talking about today is focusing on the good. So I have a couple of photos here. I have a photo of this poppy and then a photo of me, obviously mid-pandemic. But I have been really trying to be intentional about focusing on the good parts of all of this and not the crazy parts. So my boys and I have been trying to get outside a few times a week to walk around our neighborhood, and so this was a photo that I took on one of those walks. Here in California, it's spring. Flowers are blooming, poppies are our state flower, and they are everywhere right now. So I'm trying to take pictures of flowers every chance I get, butterflies, just getting outside a little bit more and getting to see moments like that. Of course, I do need to document the crazy moments too, like now we wear masks to the grocery store. This is the world that we live in. So I did have a photo from this week that I wanted to document. And then for my other two cards, I have my journaling card. So I just took one of these dot grid note cards. This is a 3x5 card. I think I found these at Walmart. I'll try to link them down below. I cut it down to 3x4, ran it through my typewriter to type out my journaling, left myself some room for embellishment because I definitely want to use these beautiful embellishments. And then this card here was one that I just created in some playtime. I did not film the actual like making of this card because I wasn't sure how it was going to go. I picked up some alcohol inks a few months ago. This is only the second time I've played with them, but I'm trying to take advantage of this time at home. You know, I'm not running kids back and forth to school. I'm not going to church events. I'm not doing that. So I have a lot more time in that sense. And so I'm trying to use some of my products I haven't used in a while or try out new techniques. So this was just on some Yupo paper that I picked out a few different colors of alcohol inks in colors that kind of matched the kit that I was going to be using, and just did a really light color wash here. And to do this, I actually put the alcohol inks in a separate container and diluted them with some extra alcohol to get this very soft, ethereal look. And then I used a glue pen and added little dots of glue in places and then pressed deco foil to it once it dried, and that gave me that gold shine. There's also gold like mixatives and alloys in alcohol inks that you can use, but like I said, I'm new to it. I'm just playing. I'm going to be doing some alphabet stickers on there to create just a filler card. So when I got my package, they had all of these fun February goodies in it, and I'm like, please tell me these are not the giveaway and they're for me to use because they're so pretty. So yes, this is the February kit. Like I said, things have been crazy. This arrived at my doorstep the week that we were like in our car accident, had all the house craziness going on, and then like I said, there was a defect in one of the products, so we did the exchange, and then the pandemic happened, and it's just been life, let me tell you. So yes, this is the February kit. If it's still in stock, I will link it down below. They do sometimes carry kits through, you know, future months if they still have it in stock. And so the kit comes with these really fun gold foiled tile alpha stickers. I love the fun playful font, and of course the gold foil, and the color is just super pretty. I don't know, I'm all about these. This 2020 piece I think is not part of the February kit. This was just an extra little bonus goodie that she threw in there for me. So they do have some wood veneer pieces, some enamel stickers, and some cardstock label stickers. Love these. Labels are one of those things that I can use a ton of. And another reason I love these kits is they, you know, they are geared towards scrapbooking, but there's nothing in here that you couldn't use for Bible journaling or any other project, card making, things like that. So, you know, there's just enough product that you can get going on a project, but it's not very specific to a certain project. And so you really can do whatever you want with it. There were 2 sheets of washi strip samples. So you've got a variety of washi strips there. And then this set of chipboard stickers with all these fun phrases. I love the colors. And as you can see, it kind of perfectly worked out with the colors I was working with in my photos. And there were several in here that are way more positive than what I am feeling, but there are also some in here, a crazy day, here we go, that I think that I can incorporate into my layout today. So let me go ahead. I'm going to put you on fast forward. We're going to put these cards together. Stay tuned to the very end of the video because I'll give you the details on how to enter the giveaway for that $50 gift card. Thank you again to Freckled Fawn for sending that and for offering that generous giveaway. Definitely a company you want to check out. So let me go ahead and put you on fast forward and we'll put these cards together. All right, so I have sped this up quite a bit because I'm not doing anything revolutionary. I am just layering up some of these embellishments. It doesn't take much. Like I said, I want my journaling and my photos to be the focus, but I do want to bring in some of those colors to kind of bounce them around my layout. I do want to comment on the quality of these stickers. Holy moly, they are they're amazing. I used to think that all stickers are created equally. A sticker is a sticker. I'm just worried about how pretty it is. But having good quality stickers makes all the difference. I don't know how many times I have gone to peel a sticker up and just the front is cut through and not the back, and so the adhesive is just left behind on the sticker sheet. Or especially tile alphas. You go to pull them up and the tile alpha ends up all wonky and messed up because they're so small and delicate. Not these. The cardstock stickers from Freckled Fawn are amazing. I don't know why I've never noticed this before. They are super, super thick. And so even the tile alphas, when I pull them up, they maintain their shape. They're not all floppy and getting all warped. They're just fantastic. They're amazing. So if you're looking for some good tile alphas, definitely reach for those. Now I am using some alphas for my stash right here just because I wanted to bring in some more of this mint color and not so much more of that pink, but the stickers are good, people. Stickers are good. So I am just adding a few embellishments. It does not need to be crazy. Now I do go kind of crazy with these chipboard stickers because they're super cute, but I'm going to stick several of them down, and then I end up pulling back up that one that's on the Focus on the Good card because I had too many. But even the one that I'm pulling up from the card, it didn't mess it up. All I had to do was add the backer sheet back to it and stick it in my stash, and I can use it again. So it's maintained its shape. It didn't pull away from the adhesive. It's pretty good. So I am adding just some final little enamel dots there, here and there, but again, just keeping it very simple. So for the giveaway, what you need to do, everything will be listed in the description box, so you can make sure that you're doing every step. Every step has to be done to be entered into the giveaway. You need to like this video. You need to be subscribed to my channel. You need to follow Freckled Fawn over at Instagram. I will have their handle down below for you guys. And most importantly, you need to leave a comment. And in that comment, please leave something good that you have experienced during this pandemic. Maybe it's more family time. Maybe it's sticking to your budget. Maybe it's home-cooked meals for once. Whatever it is, focus on the good. Leave a comment about something good you've experienced over these last few weeks. That'll be your entry. This is going to be open to everybody for that $50 gift card. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.